All right, guys, those that watched my video, my last video on Bytnex, I told you in that video that they were going to complete everything about the maintenance on the 8th of July. But today is on the 10th of July and we are still getting this forbidden error message. Okay, now this is not new to me though. It's not new to most people in Bytnex, because I really do not want anybody to keep trying to log in or change their password if you eventually have access to the website. Remember, a few days ago, the website came back and you were able to actually, get the login page. Okay, but now, today, you are not able to do so. As you can see, I tried my best to refresh. I'm getting the same message. Okay, so as I said, this is not brand new to us, because in Bytnex you get this. They don't officially send you any message that they want to carry out any maintenance until they have started carrying out the maintenance. Okay, so all I have to say to anybody watching this video is to be a little more patient with this platform, because anything can happen, guys, right? Anything can happen. This error message, 403 error message, is something that happens like almost every month. They do maintenance, or like almost every month since I joined. So it's not brand new to me. I am not panicking, because I know this is how Bytnex works, okay, in terms of access to the website. The website is not available sometimes when you try to log in. So the point I'm trying to make is be patient and wait for them to come back. That's all I have to say. I have no further information at this point other than the information I gave you the last time, that they will complete the maintenance on the 8th of July so that everybody will be able to have access back to their accounts. But this did not happen, because as you can see from my back office now, it is saying forbidden. Even the login page where you enter your password and your username is no longer available at the moment. Okay, so let us all take a little time off this website until they are fully back. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in my next Bytnex video.